Dairy-free delights. 7 calcium-rich foods for strong bones. Maintaining strong and healthy bones is crucial for overall well-being, and while dairy products are a traditional source of calcium, there are plenty of non-dairy alternatives that offer this essential mineral. In this video, we'll explore 7 delicious and nutritious non-dairy calcium-rich foods to incorporate into your diet for optimal bone health. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, including calcium. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt alternatives, or incorporate them into your cooking for a tasty calcium boost. Leafy greens, kale, collard greens, and broccoli. Dark, leafy greens are not only rich in vitamins but also calcium. Kale, collard greens, and broccoli are versatile choices that can be enjoyed in salads, stir-fries, or smoothies. Almonds. Almonds are not only a satisfying snack but also a good source of calcium. Enjoy a handful of almonds as a snack or add almond butter to your toast for a calcium-rich spread. Tofu. Tofu, made from soybeans, is an excellent plant-based source of calcium. Incorporate tofu into your stir-fries, salads, or marinate and grill it for a flavorful dish. Fortified plant milk, almond, soy, oat, etc. Many plant-based milk alternatives, such as almond, soy, and oat milk, are fortified with calcium. Check the labels to ensure they provide adequate calcium levels. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits contain calcium, along with vitamin C, which enhances calcium absorption. Enjoy a refreshing glass of fresh orange juice or snack on citrus fruits for a boost. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are not only a great source of omega-3 fatty acids but also pack a calcium punch. Create chia pudding or add them to your smoothies for a nutrient-rich treat. Diversifying your diet with these non-dairy calcium-rich foods not only supports your bone health but also adds variety and flavor to your meals. Whether you're lactose intolerant, following a vegan lifestyle, or simply looking to expand your calcium sources, these alternatives provide a tasty and nutritious way to meet your calcium needs.